This is Shane Wilson with Trial by Torque, and in today's video, we're covering 2 front bezels and a turn light. That's what I wanted for Christmas. So 2 front bezels, rolling on the right is obviously cracked. The one on the left, there's actually a broken upper piece, so I decided just to replace those. And then the turn light on the driver's side is also got a crack in it. So our job in this video, our mission is to replace this, and I think it's going to be super simple. I was wrong. You know, these things, I was overconfident. I did a video. I'll link to it here where I changed out the turn light. I thought this is going to be super simple, super easy. Let's do it. So I ordered 2 front bezels and then the turn light right there, and we go to work. So we're knocking those out. Pretty simple to take out. It's 2 bottom screws, 2 top screws, and then that will come off real easy on both sides. And you can see the broken piece right there that I'm getting out. So I'm on a roll. I'm going. Everything's going good, right? And I'm thinking, yes, this is going to work out really well. So as we go over to the right-hand side. We just take out that old turn light signal right there. Super simple. 3 screws. I think it's 9 millimeters or 11 millimeters. I can't remember which one actually. So apologize about that. By the way, I am a real estate expert, not a car expert. So this is just for fun. And we just hope this works out when I do it. So we pop that off. While I got this off, I decided I'll take some PB Blaster and spray it in there to help just prevent any future rust issues. I've been spraying this underneath the Maverick as I've been working on that on the fuel tank, which is a whole nother video coming soon. If you want to see that project, here's a link to the Ford Maverick playlist. So we're getting this in. Pretty simple here. We're going to get the new light, put it in. You can see there's a dent right there. I need to fix that at some point. But for right now, we're just getting the light back in, screwing it back in. And I'm thinking, hey, I am almost home free, right? So this is, we're closing up, we're wrapping up. This is going to be great. And then, well, you're about to see what happens. My own stupidity gets in the way here. So we put this back in. I'm putting in the 2 bottom screws. I'm like, okay, yes, we're moving forward. And I'm going to put in the 2 top screws, and we're going to rock and roll. But wait, there's nothing to screw into at top. There's nothing up there. What's going on? Well, it turns out when you order these bezels, there is no rubber piece on top. So I realized, hey, I'm going to have to go grab the old one, find the old one, make sure I didn't throw it away, which I didn't. And then I need to get those rubber pieces out of the top of it that I could put into this right here. So that is where I'm off camera going to grab that. You'll see me here in half a second. Half a second, I'll be right back and I'll show you what I came up with, which was not the brightest idea in the world. I decided, well, let's use a paint can opener just because that's the closest thing I had on hand, and some needle nose pliers. Let's get that plastic piece out and put it into the new one, right? Simple. No. Guys, I am a real estate expert, not a car expert. Don't ever use a paint opener to do this. Get a screwdriver. I smartened up about halfway through here after I, slammed my thumb and hurt my thumb. That, hey, maybe that's not the best idea. So then I eventually get a screwdriver. So anyways, we're popping out these little plastic pieces. We're going to put those into the new one here in half a second. And this is a good chance. I have the square body. It's 1984 Chevrolet square body. I also have a 1973 Ford Maverick Grabber, which is an extensive project I'm putting together. Again, I know nothing about cars. I know real estate, but this is just a fun hobby project I'm doing. So if you like this sort of stuff, give me a follow. And you can see more of my shenanigans here. So anyways, we're working this out. We're finally getting those plastic pieces out. Got them out. Now we're going to take this out, pop those plastic pieces in, put those back in, and we are now almost home free. So that is it. So we're going in, we're putting in the top pieces, and then the driver's side's done, and then we're going to roll over here to the passenger side. So easy peasy once we get all the pieces we need. I ordered this from USA One, a really good place to get square body parts. So anyways, that's where I got the bezel and turn light. So we're almost done here. There is one final thing I'm doing at the end of this video, taking away the Georgia Tech license plate and putting on a Chevrolet American flag license plate. Thought it was time. That's from college days. I actually went to both Georgia and Georgia Tech, but long time ago, let's freshen it up with that license plate. So that's it for this video. I appreciate it. If you like it, give me a follow.